Hey, welcome back guys to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos and learning something new from my channel. So yeah, in this video my plan is to replace this flexible cable on my DJI Mini 2 SE. I don't know if you have seen my video yet. I posted a video about 2 weeks ago where I basically replaced the entire middle shell, or what they call middle frame, on this drone. So that, I took everything apart, all these motors and everything. I took it apart, put everything on this body, and everything seems to work. But my plan was to complete the drone that day, but the problem is I have a spare drone. In my spare drone I did not have a good cable, so you know what, I decided to complete the video at that day. And then of course I went ahead and ordered this cable from China. So yeah, gonna give you some more information about this cable. I ordered this cable on, as I'm looking on my screen, I ordered on December 2nd and I received on December 10. So it took about 8 days, and I ordered a pack of 3 because you have to wait for a week or so. But I think 8 days is not bad at all, especially stuff coming from China, right? And as far as price concerned, for this cable I paid $4.79 plus tax, and I ordered a pack of 3. It looks like I paid total $15.16, so about $5 a pop. And here is how the cable looks like. I'm gonna show you like an entire cable, but yeah, that looks good to me. I think we will be able to repair my drone this time, but let's see. So I'm gonna go step by step, and this is like a cable that broke the first time as soon as you have a crash, pretty much, because this cable is like connected through here, and because the satellite module is either here or here, and as soon as the front thing cracks, this thing break right away. So here is how this cable looks like, guys. Look at that. So yep, this is how the cable looks like. So it's 3 in 1, right? So basically 1, 2, and 3 in 1. That's why they call it 3 in 1. So there are 3 different modules, 1, 2, and 3 in 1. So it's very fragile cable. You have again 3 different sides. So I have 2 more, like you can see. I ordered extra from China, so that way I don't have to wait every time I prepare a drone. So I'm gonna put this aside. So the goal is to open this puppy, put this cable inside, and hopefully everything will work. So yeah, you don't have to really, I'm just gonna do a fast forward because you don't have to see the whole process again, but you can kind of see how I'm doing all that. But yeah, I don't think I put all the screws, but let's see. And yeah, this one I did mention before, but I guess I will mention again. So to open this side, there's a latch inside. If you open this way, it's far more easier, and you don't give scratches and bend outside. So it looks neat. So you kind of want to open just a little bit here like this, and then kind of put it from inside. It's hard to see, but I'm going to try my best to show you. It's right here. You'll be able to see, I guess, once you open it. There you go. See how it came apart? Now here I need to use like a toothpick, or I mean not toothpick, the guitar picks. But I guess I can just use this credit card. There you go. You have to be careful when you open this, because this can crack easily. So you have to be kind of careful here. There you go. You go. Perfect. So let's put this puppy aside, and yep, here you can clearly see we don't have a cable here, because again, this is a brand new body, and that's what I showed in the last video. So now I have to open the backside. Backside, I mean this little puppy. Yep, we don't have a screw, but normally there are screws here. I don't have it because I removed it last time and I did not put the screw. because I knew I will be going back and opening it. So yeah, let's see. There you go. Yep, make sure you keep this thermal paste as is, because we will be using it. And yes, that's where we will be installing the actual cable. So yeah, let me get my nice tweezers, because you need some nice one for this task. And here is my favorite one. I love this one because this is so thin and very strong on the same time. So yeah. Okay guys, there are few important things, and I know only because this is my second or third time doing this. Now where you see this white spot, look carefully, hope you can see that. Where you see this, let me make sure, yep, you see it. So where you see this white spot, it basically a bend. You have to bend this puppy. So you have to bend it like this. Now it's important, if you bend it now, it's gonna be easy for you. If you do it later, it's gonna be kind of hard. So you're gonna be bending it, because this will be going like that. Maybe I bend it the other way. Okay, so looks like this will be bending like this. Yeah, so I kind of did opposite. So you don't bend it like this, you bend it like same spot, but you do the outward. So you bend it like this, like that. It's easy if you do it now, because then it kind of makes sense how this cable will be going like that. Because this cord will be going like this, so it will be turning. So yeah, you kind of put up, like you just kind of press it, and here you can see more white spots. Look at that. These lines, this will be bending like this, because this will be going right behind the camera. So if you bend it now, it will be easy. It basically every turn. So like this, there you go. And there is one more turn like this, because it's gonna be sitting like that. Look at that. Hope you can see it. Look at that, how it's turning, because that's exactly how this cord will be going. Now there is a tape. There is a tape, so you have to remove this blue side before it's stick it. So I'm gonna do that part later. And of course, all of these have like little. You can see this blue 1 2 3 4 5 or T 1 2 3 4 5. So tape 1 2 3 4 5. So yes, we will be also removing that. So I'm just kind of making sure it's all straight and nice. Yep. So I think we got all the cuts going here, and that's how it will be going. Let's see. Okay. So I don't think I need to remove the camera, because I can kind of access right behind it. So I think I'm fine. Yeah, removing camera will be more work, because then I have to remove all the boots. So I'm not going to remove the camera. It'll be a little challenging, but it's okay. I would rather, I guess, do that. Okay. So simply I'm going to put this cord like this inside. Use a tweezer. There you go. You can kind of see it's already out here. Oops. Okay, here you can see the cord is this way. You know what, I should have maybe bended this as well, because it's easier to bend it outside, but you know what, we'll do it later, because then I guess if you bend it first, then it'll be hard to come out this way. So we can bend it later. Now let's start putting a tape, because once you put the tape, it starts looking like an actual cable. So I'm gonna go this way, guys. Let's see. Yep, so look at that, how this cord will be going around like this. like this. And I'm gonna put all the hot glue later. This is just to kind of show you the process. But yeah, this is how it's gonna go. Look at that, guys. Like this is how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna push this puppy down right in this module like this. Look at that. Looks perfect. This is your, I don't know, GPS module or satellite module, one or the other. But now I can start removing the tape and start sticking to the wall. There you go. The first blue tape is out, and just stick to the wall. And the reason I'm not doing all of them, because I think then it'll be sticking all around. So I would prefer not to do all at once. So there you go. You can simply use your finger, I guess, for this one. There you go. It's already stick right there. Now let's do the second one. It's pretty hard. It's very fragile, but this is it. Let's see. There you go. The second tape is out. Simply stick to the wall. Let's do the third tape. There you go. Third tape is out or whatever. Let's see. Let's make sure it's all straight. There you go. Okay, look at that, how the tape is looking. That's how the tape will be looking. And now we will be turning. And now we will be removing more tape. It's a very small area. I don't know. Hope you can see it clear. Let's see. I'm able to grab it. There you go. Okay, here you can see how nicely the cord is looking. I think we have only one more tape before this is done. Yep, we have one more. There you go. There you go, guys. It's that one portion is done. Let me make sure you can see it. There you go. Now you can kind of see what I meant by turning in the beginning. Look at that. That's the white turn is, white tape or white line. That's where I turn with the hand. Now if you do one at a time, it looks very neat. Look at that. So you can kind of go as you stick to the wall. But yep, it's all done. And of course I'm going to put a silicone or some sort of like, I do have this B5000 or 7000 thing around me somewhere. I'll find it later and I'll put some glue all around just so I have an extra layer. But yeah, look at that. It's already nicely taped. Now we will be doing, let's do around this wall. Okay, maybe I can show you this way. Okay, right down here you can see there's two plastic latch. There's two, okay, two plastic, right? One is this, let's see. There you go. Hopefully you can see this way. One is this and one is this. So that two, right? It'll be kind of outward. The first one is right outside like this. And second one go around and stick to the front side like this. Let's see. Like look at that. So this is how it will be going. So backside and then the plastic piece, space, plastic piece, and then the tape outside. And that's why it's important. If you bend it before, it's easy to put this ribbon cable than after, because now I don't have to worry about bending it. I just have to remove the tape carefully and stick to the wall. So I'm going to do the back side first. Let's see. There you go. The tape is out. There you go. Now you will be able to see what I meant. So one is done. Look at that. This side is done, and here's a tape. It's just kind of sitting right there. Yep, the tape is done. Yep, I can also press with a little tweezer here, just so it sticks very well, and it actually did. Now I'm going to remove this one, which you may not be able to see. It's right down here, and then we can do this front side. Let's see. Okay, the tape is out. Now I have to carefully, not moving whole lot, just try to stick to the right area before it's, final. There you go, guys. It is done. I'll just straight this thing, but you can kind of see how this thing went around. Yep, it looks perfect now. Well, let's see if you can see it. Hope you can see right in there. So you can see the front side, one side this way. So yeah, this is done. I'm just going to use the back of the tweezer to kind of press it down firmly, so it's all the way stick before I put that B7000 or some sort of like a silicone, you need like an electrical grade silicone gel, or some sort of like a glue or something. But yeah, this is good and happy, and the back side is glued and happy. Yeah, both sides are looking good. Okay, now let's maybe connect this side, and we can maybe close this side. Let's see, guys. So we have to bend it because it's a fresh brand new cable, so we will be doing a first turn the very first time. There you go. Okay, as you can see, this is done. Again, I have to put the glue later, so I'm not going to close it all the way. But now let's connect these two cables, and then we'll be able to finally test. So this puppy, I believe this is your satellite module. So this cable goes like this, back one goes right in here. There you go. Here you can see how it kind of connected. Yep, again, you will be also putting a glue here. I'm just gonna that's fine. We don't have to really make it final. And the last cable will be going right here on the camera bracket one. So I'm going to open this puppy. that's where the last one will be going. There you go. So this is happy as well. I think it's a good point for me to test this Droneo. This one, by the way, guys, don't need the silicone or glue, so you don't own this one, but everything else will require some sort of glue. The only thing I think the reason they put a glue, just in case you drop the drone or there's a shake, it's easy for this connector to pop out. So that's why I guess it's important for us to put the glue here. I'm gonna put just one screw here before we test it. Yep, that's good. Okay. All right, so let's test this puppy. Let me get my phone and let me get everything ready. I mean, here you can clearly see I don't even have one blade, one props. So of course I'm not going to fly, but the goal is just to test it. So yeah, let's see. There you go. This is happy and moving around. Now this camera is moving around. So yeah, let's see, guys. All right, look at that, guys. Already looking beautiful and happy. No satellite, which of course it'll get the satellite in just few minutes. But no error. Literally, let me take a screenshot here so you can see it. There you go. So I'll just give it a few seconds. But yeah, no fly area. But yeah, let me let me start the props. I'm scared because there's one prop is missing, so I don't want to start it. But let's see. I guess yeah, let me make sure we get the satellite, because one of the module is connected to the satellite mode. Satellite module, I should say. But yeah, let's make sure we connect to that thing. Oh, there we go. Now we have 5. That's a good news. It's rising. I'm also inside the house, so but yeah, it's talking now. I'm still gonna wait for a little bit, just so I can make sure it completely goes away. But you know what? Let me start my, I guess, recording as well in my phone. Okay, so we have 6, so it's growing. I just want to make sure the satellites, number of satellites goes up. See, now it's kind of dancing. It went back to 5. But let's make sure it's happy. Oh, there we go. We have 10 and 10 plus. Yeah, I think it's fine. It's taking a while, of course, but I'm inside the house, so I think it's fine. But it's still, went to 10. I would think if you go outside, you'll have better satellite numbers. I think this is satellite module. Yep, there you go. When I put my finger, look at that. It's 320. So yeah, that's your satellite module. So that means it's already working. When I put my finger there, it goes down. But yeah, let me try to fly a little bit. Not fly, But yeah, I can see the gimbal. Look at that. It's already working here. I'm moving this puppy around. Yep, you have to do too much before. But yeah, it's working. But yeah, let's try to start the props just so I can show you here. Yep, that's it. Yeah, this one does not have a blade, guys, so I'm not gonna spin it. But yeah, it's working. You can clearly see. That's awesome. Yep, but you can see there's no error messages, so it's happy. But yeah, guys, this was a successful surgery, and I'm happy. Literally $5 cable, fixed the drone. And I mean, it's not that much if you buy local, but I hate to spend extra when I'm not in a rush. So again, this was literally $5 cable. Locally you can buy $12 or $13, but this one validates everything works. Your drone is happy, and there you go. Now we have 12 satellites right there. So yep, that's perfect. So I'm gonna stop this here. But yeah guys, I will let you go. But again, if you think you learned something new from my channel, or if you think this video was helpful, I would appreciate if you can subscribe my channel to help support and help motivate me, so I can come up with newer ideas, something like this, so I can help people out there with their projects. But yeah, this was successful DIY cheap $5 cable that seems to work completely perfect. Everything looks great, no error messages, like you can see. And here I can see 12 satellites inside my house. Keep in mind, I'm inside the house, not outdoor. But yeah, there you go. I can see 13 right there. But yeah guys, I will let you go. If you have any question, concern, let me know. I will make sure to post a link, or at least a screenshot of this cable, so you know exactly where I bought it. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.